Hello, and welcome to this Vivid English Vowel Sounds Listening and Pronunciation Practice video. This video is designed to train your ear to hear the difference between the A as in black cat vowel sound and the E as in red dress vowel sound. Words that contain the A as in black cat vowel sound appear in black. Words that contain the E as in red dress vowel sound appear in red. The first time you hear each word pair, listen carefully for the sound difference. The second time you hear each word pair, say the words with me. Ready? Here we go. Bad, bed, bad, bed. Man, men, man, men. Bag, beg, bag, beg. Ham, hem, ham, hem. Had, head, had, head. Bat, bet, bat, bet. Pat, pet, pat, pet. Pan, pen, pan, pen. Sad, said, sad, said. Shall, shell, shall, shell. Flash, flesh, flash, flesh. Gas, guess, gas, guess. Sax, sex, sax, sex. Tack, tech, tack, tech. Vat, vet, that, vet. Cattle, kettle, cattle, kettle. Gassed, guest, gassed, guest. Land, lend, land, lend. Jam, gem, jam, gem. Band, bend, band, bend. Dad, dead, dad, dead. And, end, and, end. Fast, fest, fast, fest. Sand, send, sand, send. Axe, X, axe, X. Frat, fret, frat, fret. Manned, mend, manned, mend. Gnat, net, gnat, net. Slapped, slept, slapped, slept. Track, trek, track, trek. Mat, met, mat, met. Bland, blend, bland, blend. Thank you for watching this Vivid English pronunciation practice video. For more pronunciation practice videos, hit the subscribe button and click the bell. Keep listening and keep practicing.